Facilities and asset management needs clarity. Spreadsheet is not relevant anymore. It's time for a change. Fox can give you clarity and offer space for collaboration. Invite a team member in a minute and let them manage their account on their own. Yes, as easy as that. Let team members manage their own profile. Create work order easily from calendar with simple steps. It can help you to organize and plan your works for you and your team. Scan QR code for any assets or locations, anytime and anywhere. You don't need an account to submit a complaint. Automate your schedule maintenance at one time, and you will not miss any deadlines. Register your assets with all important details. Track the asset depreciation and visualize it. Pinpoint your assets with the asset mapping function. Leave spreadsheet behind. Use Fox for more clarity and collaborative workspace. Contact us for more info.